What's going on, big dogs? Here with another video. Today we are, if y'all can see down there, my serpentine belt to my alternator busted the other day. These other two are good for the AC and the power steering and stuff, but we're gonna go. I already bought all three of them, so we're gonna go ahead and change that out. Right now I'm working on, I ain't never done this shit before. First time we're ever working on Hondas. So here we go again, another project using a 12 here and a 12 down here. So I already got them loosened up. Better take these off real quick. We're gonna take this belt off, move this out of the way so we get to the next step. Once you got them loose enough, so you can see, we can just slip the belt off, get it out the way. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but we're gonna move this out the way. Let me see if I can reach down there, move from over there. Let's see if we can put this in there, get it through. Get it out of the way. Just let it fall to the bottom and I'll get it from underneath. What do y'all think? Still looks like it has pretty good life to it, but I'll just probably put it there to the side just in case. And I probably won't ever use it again, but you never know. Just for emergencies, keep it up there. Now we're gonna start the next one. When I get to that next step, I'm about to take this off. So once I get to the next step, I'll show you. Like I said, just take off this screw, this bolt, and that bolt, and we'll be able to move this out of the way. All right, big dogs. Next step was I took off my ground wires. Get this out of the way. We're gonna have to pull on this, pull this up, pull it out of there. Once it comes out of there, move this upwards out of the way, just right here. Perfect right there. Now, next belt. We're gonna loosen this one up. I believe it is a 14, and then we're gonna do this one right here. This, I don't know, it's probably smaller, maybe a 12. I'll let y'all know here in a minute, but this one should be a 14, so let's get to it. So, should be a 14, like I said. Put this in here right here. This one right here, I noticed that it's loose. The top one, so give this a couple more turns. Let's see if I can figure out what size that is. Yeah. That's going to be a size 10. Alright, we got it. Size 10. Spin this off. light down here through the bottom. So you can see I was able to get it on. What I did was I put on the alternator first, grabbed the screwdriver, and put it on this first one right here. Once it got, oh, I can't even see right there. Let me just zoom out. Put the screwdriver right here, twisted it till it went in, grabbed the screwdriver again, put it on the second one, and with the same time as the screwdriver is going, push that shit in while you're spinning it. It's a little bit difficult one-handed or like with one person, but I mean I was able to get it done. Didn't take me too long, but there's that. Now we're on the second belt. Come back up here again, put this tensioner back in, or this pulley, and let me see if I can put the camera up here now so y'all can see. I forgot to turn the fucking camera on, but I just put the pulley in there. Now I put my my washer, and I'm putting in my nut now. Right here, when you're putting this pulley on, make sure to put the washers in the right spot. I accidentally put the washer on the wrong side, and I tightened it, and it wasn't letting the pulley spin. So make sure when y'all put this pulley on, y'all put the washers on the right side where they go to where the pulley spins after you tighten it up, because if not, you'll just be the belt will just be slipping on the pulley. So, and then you'll see at the end where my motor's all shaking and stuff, and I didn't make another video already when I fixed it and took that off, but that was the issue, was just that pulley. Make sure y'all put the washers on there correctly to where the pulley still spins and it lets the belt spin, and you'll be good to go. Yeah, it's pretty close to where it was again. Shit seems pretty good. Now all I'm gonna do is just get a wire brush and just lightly get in between there and just take everything out. Not too hard, just take any debris out of there. on the ground. Mine was a 10. Size 10. These are also size 10 on mine. Everything seems to be good. Let's do a little startup and see what happens. Alright, hopefully y'all can see if everything goes good. Better turn it on. And this is what I was talking about. Whenever I turn it on here in a minute, you'll see the whole engine bay shaking and everything, the whole engine. But all it was that pulley wasn't letting it spin. That's all it was. At this point right here, I'm all freaking out. What the heck did I do wrong? What is it? But I thought it was like the belt was too tight or something, but nah, it just ended up being that damn pulley, like I said. At this point right here, I was all worried, retracing my steps, but all I did was take one pulley off at a time and then turn the key, and I found out it was the second belt. And that's when I found out it was that pulley. I put the washers backwards. It was just tightening that pulley and it wasn't letting it spin. That's it.